Hi friends, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. So, let's come to today's topic. Today, we are going to learn how to take out 3D rendered view and animations in Tekla Structures. So, I have this model with me and I will take the 3D rendered view of this model. So for that you need visualizer tool. You can get that tool from the website of Tekla. Now I have already installed that tool in my software, so I will just search for visualizer and I have three apps over here. First one is visualize all, then visualize selected, and third one is visualizer material type mapping. So in visualize selected you will get to see the 3D rendered view of the selected members. Now I will select visualize all. So all I have to do is to double click on it and accept whatever is coming in the way. It will open up Trimble Connect Visualizer. So you can see how easy it is to get the 3D rendered view of the model that you have created in Tekla Structures. Now you can rotate your model by just pressing the scroll button of your mouse. You also have two different types of background over here. One is this and second one is gray background. So you can choose whatever you want. You can also change the direction of the sun. So it will show you the shadow of your model at different time of the day. Now if you want to get the shadow of the model on the ground to get a realistic view, then you can click over here and you can see you have the shadow of your model. You can also adjust the shadow by scrolling it up or down. This app also allows you to take the screenshot of your model. So you have to go over here and click on add and it will take the screenshot of your model. So my screenshot has been created. Now if you want to have a fly through in this model, then you have to click on the play button. This will give you a 20-second fly through of your model, and the best part is you don't have to use the scroll button of your mouse to either zoom in or zoom out. Like I am zooming in this model and I will take a screenshot of it. Now let's click on the screenshot and click on the play button. And you can see you can have a fly through. So this will help you if you want to make a presentation of your model. So that was all for today. If you want us to make a video on any particular topic in Tekla Structures, then you can leave your comment in the comment section. And if you want to take the professional trainings from us, then you can find the details in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.